Now I have a Hyundai Santa Fe. It's getting a new quarter panel. It's crushed right in this area and it's sucked in all the way up through here. And the big problem with repairing these is the molding that has to snap on right here. It's very difficult to get these holes exactly right where that snaps on and fits correctly. And this one's pretty wadded up to begin with, so I got a new panel and I'm gonna start on that now. Alright, I got this quarter panel fitting up nice. My door gap looks nice and even. The gaps at the lift gate with the light and everything fits good. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put on there for good. Put some weld through primer on here where I'm doing all my spot welding. Now I put these holes in here in 4 different spots, and I'm going to put sheet metal screws in those, and that'll make sure it's sitting exactly where I had it when I fit it up. Kind of use them as alignment holes, then I'll weld them up. Alright, I just finished up all of my MIG welds. I had the 3 seams there, and then across the back. I'm going to go ahead and dress all those welds and get this one finished up and over to Phil here shortly. I have this Santa Fe quarter panel all finished up. It just has to have the fill work done. I'm going to give it over to Eric to finish that up and get it in primer, and I'm going to start on the next job.